What's up guys, Jake here, Octane Freaks. We got a how-to video today on my buddy's 2006 Silverado. He's outside getting it all set up. We'll walk through the tools, the parts, and bring you the video on how to do it. Keep watching. And please also, if you like the video, subscribe, like, hit that notification bell. Go back, check out our other videos that we have on the channel. And we have some big plans coming up in the future for us to be able to crank out videos every week, be able to work on cars on our own time. So stay tuned. I'm so excited for it, super excited. So please subscribe and enjoy the video. Alright, so here we go. We got our inner tie rods for both sides, outer tie rods for both sides. You need a ratchet or a breaker bar and a socket set, 1/2 inch preferably, to be able to take the wheels off. Mini sledge to separate the outer tie rod from the knuckle, and an adjustable wrench to undo the inner tie rod. So also need a jack and some jack stands. So here we go. We've got the outer tie rod and the inner tie rod. So we're going to come in here, we're going to take the cotter pin out, and we're going to loosen that castle nut. And do that for both sides. And actually there's a can of PV. Spray a little PV on the threads there. That'll help take it off. There you go.
Anywhere else?
You're good. Yep. Breaker loose.
I'm gonna go hit the other one. Kinda wish this was a ratcheting one, but it's alright.
Now, since you're replacing them, you can hit them on the threads to hit up. But if you need to take this off for any reason and put it back on, bang right there. Just fucking go ham on it. There you go. Pull it out. Then, alright, you're going to take your adjustable wrench. This right here is slotted so you can put an adjustable wrench on there. And then all you got to do is just break that loose and spin it around. And then both assemblies come out as a whole thing. Spin her off. You don't even need that. So we got our outer tie rod here. You put the jam nut on. Make sure you put that on before you put the outer tie rod on. And you can do this two ways. You can put them on both at the same time. There's plenty of space to do it. Or you can put one on one at a time. One other thing I want to point out while doing this is make sure that your steering wheel is straight when you take the tie rods off and when you put the tie rods on, because if you don't, the alignment will be bad enough to where you won't be able to turn the wheel left and right. So when you're done, you should have at least 1.5 turns to the right, 1.5 turns to the left.
She's not catching, is she?
Sometimes you gotta bend them.
How am I gonna do that? Now, is it safe to say to really wrench these down?
Yeah. So we got the inner tie rod in, the outer tie rod measured.
Put in that leader or the grease valve.
No matter, you can put it on right here.
How tight am I going?
Go as tight as you can, but make sure you have 2 parts of the castle lined up with the hole so you can
For
put the
this?
cotter pin through.
Like, are you talking full-on wrench, hard as you can?
Well, what you had right there with that with the breaker bar
That's a
should
lot.
yeah, it should be
Okay.
fine.
All right.
All right, so we got both sides done. Inner tie rods right here. Outer tie rods right there. Castling up with cotter pin. Make sure everything's tight. You got everything lined up. Put the grease zerks in on top. Make sure you have a grease gun. If not, if wherever you go to get alignment done, make sure you ask them to grease your tie rods that you just replaced. And they should be more than willing to do that. So, pretty easy peasy. Just took us about what, an hour, Kyle?
Not even.
So,
45 minutes.
pretty easy job to do yourself. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. Straight to the point, real short. Hopefully you get enough education out of it that you can do it yourself because they are fairly easy. So please subscribe, check out our other videos, hit the notification bell, like, comment, everything above. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.